So, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So, today I had a really great day in terms of work, but a bad day in terms of personal life. Since we're going to be posting some vlogs, I'm just going to talk 1 minute about my day. And today, we had a really great day in terms of work since we back tested some data and we have gone through some JP Morgan reports as well. So things went well for us regarding the work, but personal life has been messed up because my mom's in the ICU from the past 3 days and I was in the waiting area for around 4 or 5 hours by myself. So I had my MacBook, so I back tested some strategies and made some shit out of myself. But that's what I'm trying to say over here is you need to keep your emotions in control, whether you are in trading or in real life. You need to keep your emotions in control, or the emotions are going to control you. If the emotion starts controlling you, you're not going to be able to take right decisions. Like what I'm going to do on this 5 hours, I'm just going to scroll Instagram. So regardless of that, regardless of the situation, I did what was best for me. What is the best thing which I can do at that particular situation? I can do my work, right? I can't meet my mom, right, in those hours. So what can I do? I can work on myself. So that's what I did. And you need to do that as well. If you're a trader, since you're a trader, you want to be a trader, right? You're watching this video since you want to be a trader. So you need to focus on letting the emotions out, controlling yourself, and taking the best decision which is possible at that particular time. And if you don't do that, you're gonna suffer. Suffer in your personal life, suffer in your trading, suffer in your business, suffer in everything. So let's keep everything apart. You gotta have a bulletproof mentality. Nobody can hurt you. Nobody. Nobody. You gotta do what is required from you. That's really important. Okay. So let's move further and let's talk about the reality of Forex trading, right? That's what you are here for. But that motivation is required. You need to think that you are the best. If you don't think you are the best, who's going to think it for you? Other people are going to think it for you that you're the best or not. Firstly, you need to consider that in your mind that you are the best. And when you think that you are the best, you're going to be the best in the coming few years. So let's proceed on to the Forex trading part. And motivation is required, guys, but discipline is really important. Okay. So, firstly, I'm going to talk about the fake things which people show in the YouTube channels, right? Fancy cars, hotels, five-star hotels, Dubai, and millions of dollars. All those things are fake. I'm telling you right now, all those things are fake. The people who are showing that are earning it or selling courses. Most of them, 90% of them, I'm not pointing out at everyone, most of them are selling courses. And through that, they are earning money, but they are mostly unprofitable traders. I'm not telling that everybody is unprofitable trader, but some of them can be, but most of them are. They earn their bread by selling courses. So that's what you need to focus on. Those all those things, lavish lifestyle. What are they gonna get by selling all those dreams? Money, right? By giving out the courses. But don't focus on them. Focus on your journey. You're gonna go really ahead. You have the tough mentality, the bulletproof mentality. Focus on your mentality. You're gonna proceed further, and you're gonna be winning very soon. And let's focus on the next thing. And what people say is trading is in trading 90% fail, right? Obviously 90% fail. I would say 95% fail. Why do 95% fail? Because 95% don't have any discipline in their life. They let their emotions control them, and once you let your emotions control you and you're trading in your life in anything, it's gonna fuck you up every single time. It's gonna fuck you up. And trading, importantly, in trading, you don't need to have emotions. Fear and greed is gonna ruin you up. It's gonna fuck you up. In simple terms, it's gonna fuck you up. And the next thing is, what are the three main mistakes people do? Firstly, they don't have any patience. They don't have any patience, right? They see a setup right now. I'm sitting on my setup. Like, let's say this is 9:30 in the morning. The bell has been rang in the market and everybody is starting trading. What some of you guys will do is gonna switch on to the 1 minute chart and you'll say, I see this opportunity is a really great opportunity. Maybe I will not get in another one in the day. So let's take this one and let's proceed further. So that's where impatience comes. And if you're impatient, you're gonna be not successful in life, neither in trading. You need to be patient with your work. You need to have patience. If you don't have it, what the hell are you doing? You need to have patience, right? You need to have patience. And second thing, you need to have a back tested strategy, a strategy which has been proven in the marketplace. Not just that you're seeing it by the eye. Yes, this is happening, this is happening, this is happening. And mechanical strategies, I don't trade mechanical strategies as such. I rely on data, some fundamentals, then some technicals. I rely on those stuff to back my trades, and it happens really nicely. And the thing is, if you think that you're going to be successful in a matter of few months, then I'm saying that to you. There are high chances, I'm not ruling everything out. There are high chances that you're not going to be successful very, very soon. Because it is going to take time. It is going to take years of practice, right? It's going to take years of practice. Because trading is not an easy job. Firstly, you need to control your emotions, which is the hardest thing, right? To control your emotions, there are hormones in your brain which is running. So you need to control your emotions first, and then you need to have some capital, right? You need to have some capital. You can't go in the market and saying that I just have few bucks, few dollars, few INRs, and you're gonna say I'm gonna trade the market. I'm gonna make some money. I'm gonna double it every single day. That's not gonna happen, right? You need to have some money in the pocket to make some money, right? And other thing is people rely on, like, people say that I'm gonna convert my $100 or $100 into 100K dollars in a matter of few weeks. Is that possible? Not really. That is not possible, guys. That is not possible. You need to have a back tested strategy. You need to follow it by discipline. You need to rule out all your emotions. Rule out all your emotions. Focus on the strategy. When the setup presents itself, take the trade. If the setup is not there, ignore it. Stay away from the markets. Close your laptop. Go away. Don't get into the markets. Or it's gonna fuck you up. I'm telling you. I'm telling you by my experience. This experience has taken a lot of sleepless nights and days. Days, yes, obviously. Sleepless days as well. Because you can't sleep, right? You're dreaming about it all day long, right? So you can't sleep in the night. You can't sleep in the day thinking about when you're going to be successful, right? So it's going to take some time from your side. It's going to take some efforts. It's going to take some thing from this side over here as well. What's between this is really important. The psychology is really important. The strategy, whatever strategy you have, you can make some money, right? You flip a coin, what's the win rate? 50-50, right? You get a 1 RR, what's the win rate? 1 RR 50-50, most of the times 50-50, right? So you just need 1.2 RR, right? 1.5 RR, let's say 1.5 RR. So how can you improve that? By focusing on the technicals, fundamentals, and the most important thing, the psychology. The psychology is really important. If you don't have the psychology thing, you're gonna mess everything up. You're gonna have a really good back tested strategy, but when you get into the trade, you're gonna say, "Oh, I'm gonna get out." Right? You gotta have a bulletproof mind. There are going to be days when you have to sleep with your positions on. If you are a type of a trader who is holding trades for 2 or 3 days, you will be not be able to sleep for the 1 or 2 days in the beginning or some months, but you will be able to develop that shield, the iron shield, which is required to become a trader. Nobody, nothing can hurt your feelings. Nothing. You need to develop that. And if you don't develop that, you're not a man. To be honest, you need to develop that. In the process, there are going to be some problems as well, but those problems, take that as a test. And if you take that as a test, you're going to be always going to be up for it, but you need to have some mentality to yourself that this is it, I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it anyhow. That is what is required of you. And if you don't have that, like, leave trading, I would say. Leave it right now. Close the laptop, remove the trading view application from your phone, from your laptop, remove it from everywhere, and say this is not going to happen for you, because it's going to take a iron or a bulletproof mind for you to conquer the markets. You cannot conquer the markets, you need to conquer yourself. You can't conquer the markets. Markets has $1 trillion liquidity. You can't control it. You can't do it, man. You can't do it. You need to control your mind for you to be successful in the markets. And if you can do that, you're gonna be successful. But you need a back tested strategy. I'm gonna list all the things again. Back tested strategy, Risk management. Risk management is basically not risking more than what is you can lose, not letting the emotions come in. A fixed percentage of risking from the capital is required. Psychology, remove the fear and greed. Remove everything. Psychology is really important when you're gonna get in, when you're gonna get out. Remove the emotions. The fourth thing, remove the emotions. Remove the fear and greed is gonna come in this point. Remove all the emotions. Shut everything out. Shut all the drama in your life. Focus on this thing. For a few years, you're gonna be successful. It took me around 3 or 4 years to actually see the markets in a way the successful traders see it. In the beginning of the first year, the 6 months, your heart is gonna be pumping. Like when you enter a trade, your heart is gonna be pumping. When do I get out? When do I get in? All these things are gonna happen to you. It has happened to me. I have gone through it by myself and overcome that. And you need to do it by yourself as well. Nobody is gonna hold your hand and gonna say, "Hey, you can do this." If anybody's not gonna there for supporting you, if anybody's not supporting you, be your own support. You say in the night that you're gonna do it anyways. If the whole world is against you, you're gonna be standing against the whole world and you're gonna do it anyways. Either be your parents, friends, anybody. Does not matter. What matters is mindset. That is what is required of you. And discipline is really important. As I said, my mom's in the ICU. I met her, then I came home again, shot this video. While I was in the hospital, I backtested. I used that time for my trading. So you need to do that. If you don't do that, you're gonna suffer along. Okay? And read some JP Morgan reports as well. It helps in understanding the markets as well as how the markets are performing, what is gonna be the reports, everything. There are multiple things I'm gonna share with you guys on this channel. You can look at that in the future, and that is gonna be completely beneficial for you. I can guarantee that. But you need to focus on all those four things which I said: risk management, psychology, remove your emotions, have a back tested strategy. It's gonna take some time. For fifth thing, patience. It's gonna take some time from you guys. You can't say that I'm gonna start trading today, I'm gonna be successful in the matter of few months. It's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. It's gonna take some time. It's gonna take some patience. A doctor takes around 5 to 7 to 8 years to become a professional doctor, and you're expecting to make thousands of dollars just by clicking a button, and you're expecting that it can be done in a matter of few months. That is not going to happen, right? You need to focus on your work first. Don't focus on the glory, but have a bulletproof mind. Nobody can attack it. Nobody, no traits, no emotions. Shut them out. Focus on your work. You're gonna be successful. Until then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.